In this video, I'm going to show you how to register to the British Council and learn to speak English. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Right, you first need to head over to britishcouncil.org, so it's englishonline.britishcouncil.org. I've left the link in the description, so if you want to click on that link to receive 10% off. Alright, once you've done that, you need to click onto the big Start Now button here. And now you've got different prices here. So we got silver, which is a 5 class credit. So you got gold with 10 class credits, and platinum, which is the most popular at the time of recording, with 15 class credits. So the 10% discount won't apply if you do the silver. It's only gold and platinum, and you can see what the differences are between these three different levels. So the silver starts at 113 per month, the gold starts at 191 per month, and the platinum starts at 261 per month. And this is in Australian dollars, so if you're from a different country, this is going to be different again depending what region you're in. And as you can see, the higher you go up in these different classes, it brings down the total price per class. So you can see the first one's 23, next one's 19, and the last one in platinum 17 per class. So you save more of the platinum depending how many English classes you want to subscribe to. And now once you've made your decision, you simply click on the 7-day free trial buy now. So choose which one you best suits your needs. So for this demonstration, I want to click the 7-day free trial on the platinum. And now it's going to redirect me to where you need to enter in your details. So you can go through by entering your email, first name, surname, place of residence, and if you want to receive news and offers via email, and make sure you're over 18 or years above and have read the British Council online terms and conditions. So yeah, fill that out, or you can simply sign in with Google. So I'm just going to simply sign in with Google. I'm going to choose my account, Tutorial Wiz, and now I need to tick on these buttons here. Alright, click on Tutorial Wiz. Alright, now I've got to give myself a surname and my location, and from there I want to click continue. And you'll be brought to the next page here. So choose your English level. So remember that you can change these levels later. So select your English level. So if you're elementary, intermediate, upper intermediate, advanced, I don't know my English well, so choose which level you are. So I'm going to do advanced because I speak English as my main language. And then from here, you'll be brought to the payment checkout section, so online subscription payment. Alright, if we scroll down here, so they accept all major debit and credit cards. You can buy with GPay. Because I've used the link, I've saved a bit of money here as well, so the promo code will be automatically applied if you use the link in my description. And from here, card details, so put in your card holder's name and then your card details, expiry and security code. And then from there, simply click on activate subscription. And once you've done that, you have successfully registered to the British Council to learn English.